Good morning. So, in the last class, we have learned how to solve the pair of linear equation on a graph. Today, the different methods we will be discussing, children. So, why we are moving for other methods means because in graphical method, we are not able to mark these points. If you have got the values as a root 3, 2 root 7 or points, if you get, it is very difficult, fractional parts if you get, it is very difficult to indicate them on the graph. So algebraically we can solve it by few methods. They are substitution method, elimination method and cross multiplication method. So in this, for this year, you are not having these two methods, children. They have removed, they have reduced the portions now, that's why they are not given these two methods. Only elimination method we are discussing today. So just what is substitution method I will say of. In substitution method, any one variables we are expressing in terms of other, okay, then that value will be substituted in another equation and we will get the value of one variable. By that we can substitute that value in another variable and we will get the values. Now we will move to the elimination method. What is the meaning of elimination method? Actually, this method is more convenient when compared to other types, okay, other types of what you have learned, substitution, cross multiplication and all. Just here, by seeing the equations, we have to decide any one of the variables should be eliminated. See here, in these two equations, either we can eliminate x or y. I am just eliminating y. To eliminate y, here the coefficient of y is 6, here the coefficient of y is 3. I should make it as 6. To make it 6, what I should do? This whole expression should be multiplied with the 2. Okay, 2 of x plus 3y is equal to 8. Multiplied. 2 into x, 2x, 3 2s are 6y, 8 2s are 16. Now this equation you add or subtract by seeing the signs. If both are having same sign, subtract it. If they are having a different sign means you should add it. Here both are having same sign, subtraction. To subtract, what we have to do? We have to change the signs of an subtrahend. So plus will become minus, here also plus will become minus, here also minus. See here, plus 6y minus 6y get cancels. From it is minus 4x plus 2x. Subtraction you should do. 4 minus 2 is 2. Bigger number sign is minus, so 2x we are getting. Here also subtraction. 16 minus 7 is 9. Bigger number is plus, that's why you are getting plus only. Send 2 to this side. 9 by minus 2 you are getting. So x value is minus 9 by 2. Okay. Now substitute x value in equation 1. This is equation 1. In that you substitute x value. So what is equation 1? X plus 3y is equal to 8. X value is minus 9 by 2 plus 3y will be as it is 8. So 3y you keep this side, minus 9 by 2 you send this side. Okay. So 8 plus 9 by 2 you are getting. 2 will be the LCM. 8 2s are 16 plus 9. That is equal to, add it, 25 by 2 you are getting. But it is 3y. 3y is equal to 25 by 2. Send 3 to this side. So multiplication will become division. 25 by 2 into 3. That is y value is 25 by 6. Now this value, we got x value, we got y value. Now this is the way of solving an equation by using elimination method. Clear, children? Now we will move to the exercise part and we will solve the problems. So the first problem of the exercise is this. 3x plus 4y is equal to 10. 2x minus 2y is equal to 2. Call them as equation 1 and equation 2. Now just I will eliminate y here. To make it eliminate, I should make y as a 4. So multiply the whole equation 2 by 2. That time first one will be as it is. 3x plus 4y is equal to 10. This one by multiplying 2 into 2x, 4x. 2 into minus 2y minus 4y, 2 2s are 4 we are getting. Now add it. So this get cancelled. This adds up 4 plus 3 7x, 10 plus 4 14. Send 7 to this side. 14 by 7 cancellation, 7 1s are 7 2s are. So x value is 2. One variable value we got, that should be substituted in another equation. So take any one of the equation. First one only I am taking. 3x plus 4y is equal to 10. X value is substitute. 3 of 2 plus 4y is equal to 10. 3 2s are 6 plus 4y is equal to 10. Send 6 to this side. 10 minus 6, it is 4. Y will be 4 by 4. Cancellation. Y is 1. So x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 1. We got the values. Now we will move to the next problem. So the next problem is 3x minus 5y minus 4 is equal to 0, and one more equation is 9x is equal to 2y plus 7. Here first bring it to one form so that we can eliminate. Just number part you send next to the equal sign. So 3x minus 5y minus y goes this side means plus 4. Here bring 2y to the LHS part. 9x minus 2y is equal to 7 will be as it is. Now which can be eliminated, you just check it out. We can't make 2 as a 5, but 3 can be made as a 9. So multiply equation 1 with 3. So 3 of 3x minus 5y is equal to 4. What you are getting, you just check it out. So 3 3s are 9x, 3 5s are 15y, 4 3s are 12 we are getting. Now below this equation 2 you substitute. What is equation 2? 9x minus 2y is equal to 7. Now both are having same sign means what I said, subtraction. You have to subtract. To subtract what we have to do? You have to change the signs. Change the signs. Plus will become minus, minus will become plus, plus will become minus. This and this get cancelled. 15 minus 2 is minus 13y. 12 minus 7 is 5. Okay. So y will be 5 by minus 13, which is nothing but a minus 5 by 13. We got y value. Now what we have to do? This value should be substituted in any one of the equation. Just I am taking first one only. 3x minus 5y is equal to 4. That equation only I am taking. In that I am substituting this. Okay. Now 3x as it is minus 5, y value is minus 5 by 13 is equal to 4. 3x minus into minus plus, for 5 is 25 by 13 is equal to 4. So send this to this side, RHS part, plus 25 by 13 will become minus 25 by 13. Take the LCM, 13 4s are 52 minus 25, 12 minus 5 is 7, 3 minus 2 is 2, 27 by 13 you are getting. Send 3 to this side, multiplication will become division. 27 by 13 into 3, 3 1s are 3 9s are, so 9 by 13. Y value is this one, minus 5 by 13, x value is 9 by 13. Okay. Now we will move to the statement problem. So in a statement problem, we will be having, first we have to frame the equation, then you have to solve. If we add 1 to the numerator and subtract 1 from the denominator, a fraction reduces to 1. It becomes 1 by 2 if we only add 1 to the denominator. What is the fraction? Let the fraction. Okay, this is the question you will be having. Okay, so let us consider the fraction as x by y. What is the first thing? Add 1 to the numerator and subtract 1 from the denominator, they are saying. So numerator is x, x plus 1. Subtract 1 from the denominator means denominator is y, y minus 1. Will be equal to what? 1. That's why x plus 1 by y minus 1 is equal to 1. Call this as equation 1. Now the second condition, it becomes 1 by 2 if we only add 1 to the denominator. Add 1 to the denominator means x by y plus 1 will be equal to 1 by 2. Let us simplify these two equations. Take first one. Cross multiply, x plus 1 will be as it is, 1 into y minus 1 is y minus 1 only. Send y to this side plus 1 to this side. So x minus y will be minus 1 you are getting, which is equal to x minus y is equal to minus 2. Call this as a equation 3. Now go with this. X by y plus 1 is equal to 1 by 2. Cross multiplication. 2 into x 2x, 1 into y plus 1 is y plus 1. Send y to the LHS part, plus y will become minus y, 2x minus y, 1 will be there only, is equal to 1. Call this as 4. Now 3 and 4 you check, y is there, okay, just no need of multiplying any terms or anything else, just same sign they are having, go with the subtraction, change the signs. Plus y minus y get cancelled. Minus 2x plus x is minus x you are getting. So minus 1 minus 2 will be minus 3. Both the sides negative sign is there, get cancelled. So x value will be 3. Now substitute this value in any one of the equation. I have taken this. X minus y is equal to minus 2. There I substituted x value 3 minus y is equal to minus 2. Minus 2 you send this side, y you send that side. 3 plus 2 is equal to y, which is y is equal to 5. But we need a fraction. What is our fraction? X by y. X is 3, y is 5. So our fraction is 3 by 5. Got it? Now we will move to the one more problem, statement problem. 5 years ago, Noori was thrice old as Sonu. Okay.